Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 8 of the course Organization Development and Change in 21st Century. So this week consists of in total of 10 number of questions, and we will start it from question number 1. Okay, so question number 1 is fill in the blanks. We just have to fill the blanks with the appropriate given options. So question is, dash is one of the most popular OD interventions in issues related to family, and it is also relevant for the family owned entrepreneurial firm if they face any issue. Option 1 is family therapy, option B is zero tolerance, option C is succession strategy, and option D is institutional overlap. So the correct answer will be family therapy. Okay. Moving to the next one, the assertion and regions are given. We just have to answer the which region is true. Okay, or assertion is true or not. So assertion is traditional OD interventions may need to be tailored in non-industrial settings. Reason 1 is non-industrial settings have their unique culture, structure and goals compared to industrial settings. Reason 2 is these settings involve a broad range of stakeholders than the industrial settings. So options are A is true and only R1 is correct explanation of A. A is true and only R2 is the correct explanation of A. A is true and both R1 and R2 are correct explanations of A. A is true but both R1 and R2 are not correct explanations of A. So the correct answer will be option number C, that is A is true and both R1 and R2 are correct explanations of A. Question number third is multiple select questions. Okay, so we just have to answer the multiple answers, select the multiple answers from the given options. So question is, which of the following statement is are correct about a social enterprise? Option A is a social enterprise is a business with social objectives. Option B is maximizing profits in the primary goal of a social enterprise as is with a traditional business. Option C is, unlike a charity, social enterprises pursue endeavors that generate revenues which fund their social causes. Option D is, regarding employment, preference is given to job seekers from rich and experienced communities. So the correct options are option number A and C. Okay. Moving to the next question. Question number 4 is, appropriate OD interventions for the development of higher education systems required. Option A is taking into consideration the needs of family members. Option B is taking into consideration the needs of the nation. Option C is taking into consideration the needs of the industry. And option D is harnessing the scientific knowledge embedded in the culture and history of society. So the correct options are option number B, C and D for question number 4. Okay, for question number 4, option number B, C and D are the correct answers. Question number 5 is, opportunities for OD practitioners in the public school system include. Option A is developing values-based principles of practice, respect, inclusion, collaboration, authenticity, self-awareness, empowerment. Option B is developing competitive approach to learning. Option C is designing a systems approach to learning. Option D is help schools provide opportunities for collaboration to enhance teaching and learning. So the correct answers for question number 5 will be option number A, C and D. Okay, for 5, A, C and D are the correct answers. Question number 6 is, generally the organizational structure of a healthcare organization is pyramidal, cylindrical, circular, rectangular. So the correct answer will be cylindrical. Okay. Sorry, Please correct it. For question number 6, the answer will be pyramidal. Okay. Question number 7 is the predominant culture of entrepreneurial firms according to competing value framework is market culture, adhocracy culture, hierarchical culture, clan culture. So the correct answer will be adhocracy culture. That is option number B. Question number 8 is for social enterprises, which is the primary goal and which is the secondary goal? Social goal primary, business goal secondary. Option B is social goal secondary, business goal primary. Option C is political goal primary, social goal secondary. And option D is social goal primary, political goal secondary. So the correct answer will be social goal primary and business goal secondary. Okay, option number A. Question number 9 is which of the following statements are true and false in the context of healthcare sector? Assertion A is learning in the patient care delivery sector follows the general pattern of supervisor-subordinate relationships. Assertion B is as the junior doctors report to the senior doctors, OD interventions must aim to coach and mentor these young professionals. Option A is true while B is false. Option B is true while A is false. Option C is both A and B are false. Option D is both A and B are true. So the correct answer will be B is true while A is false. Okay. So the last question is the major objective of not-for-profit organizations and social enterprises is. Option A is encouraging the depth and width of the social impact along with the financial sufficiency to ensure sustainability. Option B is selling products and services to more people or increasing the number of users of the products and services. Option C is firstly financial rewards, secondly social works, and option D is making a bridge between small and big businesses. So the correct answer for question number 10 will be option number A. So we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. Viewers, thanks for watching the video. Please like it and share it with anyone. Thank you.